Boys and girls, you know we've always been about building on a budget here at SteinsharkTV, but just how far can you go on a budget? Today we are going to find out if you can build a completely legitimate PC test bench out of only cardboard and hot glue. Literally. These two things. Let's find out. Well, everybody, it didn't even turn out that badly, but we don't know anything yet because we haven't tried to do anything on it. So let's throw some windows on it, run some games, run some benchmarks, play some World of Tanks, Lichess, mining? No, not mining. We hate miners. But let's see what it can handle, and let's do that right now. All right, everybody, the build is done. Windows is loaded. We stress tested on Silverbench for half an hour. World of Tanks is installed. So let's go over what we have here. So first off, we haven't burned anything down yet. Temps are fine. It probably has more to do with your own hardware and cooling, but for me, everything's running perfectly. I've built like 10 computers in my lifetime, and I've only ever bought one case, so before anything else, know that. Right, that being said, $50 is a lot to pay for a PC part that really adds nothing to your stats. So I wouldn't even say that I'm just being me. There's something to say for creating your own design, saving the bank, and remaining practical at the same time. The cardboard build is the most saving the bank you can get, but we didn't really give up anything else besides the looks. And we got some nice airflow while we were at it. Right? I mean, 99% of the time your PC is sitting in one place, so the materials that keep it there don't really have to be that durable, if not good looking. But hey, add some RGB to it, maybe cut out some cool cardboard geometric shapes, and you can make a styling build for not too much more. Right? In the end, it's up to you, but you know what I'm already inclined to say. If you made it this far into the video, thanks for sticking around. If you go on to build your own case, shout me out. Let me know what you've done. I'd like to know if, what I'm doing matters. Thanks to everyone who cares. Steinshark's out.